issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County, Ohio, Delaware County, western Licking County, until 8 a.m. At 7:30 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ashley to Dublin, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Delaware, Gahanna, Worthington, Pawhuska, Powell, Johnstown, Sunbury, Utica, Ashley, Minerva Park, Polaris, Easton, Summit Station, Beechwood Trail, New Albany, and Jersey. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 115 and 138. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.